Hi everyone, today I will show you the center console upgrade of the 2015 to 2020 Ford Mustang. This is what it looks like before the upgrade. Remove the baffle above. Remove these two screws. Pry off this storage box. Remove these two screws. Pry off the frame of this car's infotainment system. Unplug the original car plug. Unscrew the screws on the original car engine. Remove the original car host. Unplug the plug from the original car host. Unscrew the screws on the original car display screen. Remove the original car display screen. Unplug the plug from the original car display screen. Display on the back of the original car display screen. Original CarPlay display. Unscrew the screws on the original car air conditioning panel. Remove the outer shell of the original car air conditioning panel. Unscrew the screws on the original car air conditioning motherboard. Open the buckle of the original car air conditioning panel cable. Then remove the original car air conditioning panel. Unscrew the screws on the original car keypad. Remove the original car keypad. Remove the buttons from the original car radio panel. Install the button. Install the plastic casing of the air conditioning panel and tighten the screws. Install the original car buttons onto the car's infotainment system. Install the keypad properly. Tighten the screws on the keypad. Tighten the screws on the air conditioning panel. Press the cable clip on the air conditioning panel. Tighten the screws on the plastic casing of the air conditioning panel. Connect the reverse line of sight. Connect the 4-pin USB cable. Connect 4G antenna. Connect the Canbus box. Connect the 8-pin serial port cable. Connect the power plug. Connect the radio antenna. Rear view after reverse insertion. Plug in the original core plug. Install the display screen. Tighten the screws on top. Install the storage box properly. Tighten the screw. Install the baffle. This is the effect after installation. Set protocol. Reverse image display. Steering wheel button control display. Video player display. Radio function display. DSP sound effect setting display. Air conditioning function display. CarPlay phone call demo. CarPlay navigation demo. Original car settings.